Hello everyone, greetings from beautiful North Lake Tahoe. It's Gema from Soulstar Alchemy, and today I'm going to do a meditation on mindfulness. Mindfulness can be practiced in many poses. In this short meditation, you will be extending your mindfulness through some stretching, movement, and breath work. I will guide you step by step while you reach up towards the sky and reach down towards the earth. Please remember to work within your own limits of comfort and flexibility. This meditation can be done while standing or sitting on a chair. Are you ready? Let's begin. If you are standing, start with your feet hip-width apart. If you are seated, spread your feet apart a little bit wider. If you're standing, soften your knees so that the weight of your body can be evenly distributed over both of your feet. Let your arms hang comfortably at your sides. If you're seated, rest your hands on your knees. Now, take a cleansing breath slowly in through your nose and out through your mouth. And relax your shoulders and your face. Become aware of your surroundings. Observe the temperature of the room on your skin. Notice the lighting, the sounds, and any movements around you. Relax. Be present and feel into your entire body. Now, gently reach your arms up towards the sky. Any amount of lift is perfect. There is no need to force beyond what feels good. If your neck allows, follow your hands, looking up between them. As you reach toward the sky, imagine roots growing down into the earth from the bottoms of your feet. See, feel, sense, or imagine your roots anchoring you into the ground below you. What sensations are present? Are the sensations pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral? Adjust your body as needed and just observe. Now, with your arms still up, you'll be taking 3 deep breaths with my count. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Having your arms up will allow you to take belly breaths instead of chest breaths more easily. Ready? Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep your knees bent if standing. Now carefully fold at your hips while bringing your arms down, bending towards the ground. You can let your arms hang in front of you, or if you need extra support, keep your hands on your knees as you bend. If seated, keep your hands on your knees and forearms resting on the tops of your thighs. Relax your head and shoulders, creating a gentle stretch in your neck. Do not force this movement, just allow yourself to release all tension towards the earth. Observe your breath. When you're ready, keep your knees bent if you're standing, and at your next exhale, unroll yourself gently back up into a straight spine position. Try to feel each individual vertebra stack one on top of the next as you unroll. Once you've straightened your spine, take a breath in while you raise your hands right back up to the sky. If your flexibility permits, look up between your hands and imagine you're holding a warm, glowing ball in your hands. Inhale once more, and at the next long exhale, slowly bring that golden ball down as you lower your hands in front of you, feeling the warmth as your hands pass in front of your face, your neck, your chest, your solar plexus, stomach area, and belly. Hold the ball of golden light at the level below your belly button. Place this warm, beautiful and powerful energy into your lower belly. Keep your hands on your lower belly and take 3 breaths at your own pace. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes.